So we're back in the kitchen garden and having these butternut squashes done well. Now, you see, you learn something about gardening every day. What have I learned? I need to space my butternut squashes further apart. So they're putting out runners now, and because these root in the ground, I am just literally trying to aim them where I want them to go. And because I haven't left enough space in between them, then I'm going to have a bit of an issue. It's going to be very crowded, but such is life. You learn something new every day. But very, very healthy flowers on them. Hold on a sec. There we go. And they're doing okay. The sweet potato, not so sure. This is the first time I've tried that, so to give you an idea of scale, that's about a metre. There is two growths coming off it, but I would have expected it to do a wee bit better. The mulch on here is pretty good, as you can tell with the healthy butternut squash leaves. So I'm just hoping the sweet potato picks up a wee bit. So tomatoes, I've done a wee video about blight because I'm just not sure. I'm looking at some of the tomatoes and I'm thinking, you know, that could be blight, but the leaves look quite healthy and we are getting a good crop. I've already been taking cherry tomatoes off these, and I mean that one's absolutely fine, nothing there. Delicious and sweet. And my nasturtiums, which I put in, are doing great, and they are supplying me with a bit of interest in my salads, both the leaves and the flowers. I'm quite happy with that. Carrots, not done great this year. There are a few, but not many. Parsnips, yes, I'm quite pleased. I did do 4 rows of parsnips and I'm quite happy with that. But I won't be obviously using them until we've had a frost. Everything else is doing okay. I need to plant some more salads. And I think I need to top this bed up with some more mulch. So, watch this space.